I am more concerned with China than I am with aliens coming and stealing all of our water, which is eventually what they would do.
They have potential.
Who? The Chinese?
No, the aliens.
To be good?
What is that? Was that you?
That wasn't me. That was Brad. I didn't make that sound.
That really
There's
sounded
no
like
way.
an alien sound. Oh, stop it. Oh, gosh.
Are you concerned with Chinese? Or are you concerned with...
Stop.
That's just the way they communicate, Hannah. It's just different from the way you communicate. This has been a really serious show until now. What happened?
Stop it.